Hey guys, I'm Love, and in today's video, this is going to be the last video of the tutorial of C++. So, since it's the last video, the last thing which is left to show you is how to support exception handling. So during coding, there is always going to be some or the other kind of exception which will come while you compile your app. So C++ has provided exception handling that allows you to take appropriate action to avoid some runtime errors. So there are three keywords for exception handling. So they are try, catch, and throw. So try shows the try block. It contains statements which may generate exceptions. Then the throw is when an exception occurs in the try block, it is thrown to the catch block using throw keyword, and then the catch block defines the action to be taken when an exception occurs. So here we are just going to use the normal thing. So first we'll write int a is equal to 2, and then try, open the brackets, first statement if a is equal to 1, throw a, then after that else if a is equal to 2, throw caps A, then else if a is equal to 3, then throw 4.5. After that you are going to catch int a, and then you are going to print cout handle integer is got. After that we have to go out of catch and then get another catch, and in this we are going to declare a new variable known as a char ch. Then we are going to do cout character exception caught. Then after that we are going to do catch double D and write cout handle double x exception caught. And out of the whole try catch loop, you have to then do a cout end of program. Cout end of program, and then return we are going to return 0. So here firstly it's checking if it has any of these values of 1, 2 or 3. So what is going to happen is that if it is, then it is going to throw these values. First it will throw A, then this capital A, and then 4.5. Then it's going to catch like int A and check its value. If the value like it got like then if you catch int A, then it will get the value integer is caught. Then there will be, if it catches a character, so then character exception will be caught. If it catches a double exception will be caught. So in this it will show character exception will be caught. Okay, I forgot to put the semicolon here. Okay, I forgot to put them in single quotes as well. So build it, no errors. So here the value will be 2. Here its value will be capital A. Here it will be double. So let's build it, then run. See, character exception caught. So yeah, this is it for this video. I hope you liked it. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and bye.